Hi there, I'm going to try to keep this brief in under 60 seconds. Here is a technical SEO plan. It has only the relevant issues. It has high-level instructions for every single issue here. We can track progress and the task owner at different stages of the issue's fix. Every one of these issues is connected to its own tab here. And every tab has exactly what to do for each URL. The difference between the plan and the standard and the basic is so drastic. The basic technical audits and the standard audits just have links to tabs with no real direction. They have a high level direction. See here, I'm giving exactly what to do for every single URL. This is for people who want to take this on or want me to take it on, but want everything planned out in advance. Here is a standard technical SEO audit. Everything's linked to its own tab, and there's some high-level fixed data, but it's not a project management tool. And if, as you can see here, you have all the issues and all the URLs of the issues, but what do? You have to figure it all out. And that's the difference between the two deliverables.